Welcome back to the AI Marketing School. Today I'm going to show you how to create a full lead generation funnel from the landing page to the actual lead magnet that you will offer in the landing page. So, for example, an ebook, and then a follow-up sequence of 4 emails, and how I've done that within, you know, an hour, and how you could do it for your business as well. So let's get into it, and I will show you the landing page process now. So here's the landing page that I've created. Here's the headline, and here's the actual text of the landing page. And then we're trying to push for a free 7-day course. So how did I put this together? I used ChatGPT, and that's what I'm going to go through now. So if you haven't got an account, just go and create one, but I'll jump ahead to the actual process. So to keep it simple, this is kind of what I input into ChatGPT. My target market is marketing professionals. So if your business or service is got a different target market, you can change this phrase. And then I'm basically asking ChatGPT, create a compelling landing page copy to target them with the benefits on how AI can help them be more productive. So in your case, it could be something else. So if you've got a gym in your area, maybe the benefit could be, to get healthy, to get fit. Yeah, I'm sure you'll kind of play around with this description, and then the next part is, because I want it to be very specific, I'm asking it the landing page should have an offer for a free 7-day course, which will teach them how to become a better marketer. Because ultimately, the landing page is positioned to drive people to give their name and email, so we can build an email list and then provide them education. So I put that in, and it came back with this initial suggestion. Are you tired of spending countless hours? So it's hitting on some of the points. I wasn't happy with that, so I told ChatGPT, make this longer and press on the benefits, I guess, emphasize the benefits that we will be providing in the 7-day free course. And then it came back with a bit longer copy. So there you have it. That was a copy that I kind of took and I iterated it further. I put in a bit of more questions, but ultimately that's what I use as the base to then create this landing page copy that I'm actually using on our live page. So that's how we created the landing page copy. So you can even use ChatGPT to give you tips and tricks on how to reword the actual headline of this landing page copy. So if you come back here, the next thing that I asked it was, based on the above copy, can you give me 5 examples of landing page headlines I could use? So it came up with 5 ideas, and I kind of used those ideas and iterated them further to come up with the headline that I'm currently using. Cool. So now that you've seen how I've created the landing page copy, the next step is to come up with a lead magnet, um, some sort of a offer that you would want to give them once they put in their name and email or phone number, if that's what you're asking as well. So in our case, we wanted to create an ebook, providing education to the audience. So that's what I'm going to cover on how you can do that for your audience. So for example, if it's a gym, it could be 7 tips to lose weight, 7 tips to gain weight, whatever it may be. So yeah, let's get into it. So I'm back into my ChatGPT chain, and So the next thing I asked was, based on the above, can you give me a suggestion on a short ebook or lead magnet? Give me 3 name ideas. So I'm basically asking it for 3 ideas with the name of what the lead magnet slash ebook could be. So ChatGPT came back with the Marketer's Guide to AI, Boost Your Productivity, Data. So it's come up with 3 ideas, and I went ahead and picked one of them and said, based on this, can you give me an outline of this short ebook? So I'm asking it this because I want it to be a bit short as well. And so then, yeah, it came back with a full contents kind of summary on each of the chapters: intro, benefits of AI, how to implement AI into your strategy, case studies. So, yeah, it's given a full um, outline of what the guide could be. And then, yeah, you can kind of review this. You can provide it feedback on this guy, on this kind of outline, and change it up. Um, Once you're happy with it, then you can start with actually getting ChatGPT to give you the actual copy. So I went ahead and asked for the copy for the introduction. And there you have it. It has the copy for the introduction here. And obviously, you can review and ask it to make it longer or make edits in it. But just for this example, I'll move on to then I asked it for copy for chapter 2. Here it is. It's come up with the copy for chapter 2. And yeah, so I guess you can kind of do this and get all the content for all the chapters, review it, um, ask ChatGPT to further improve on any of them if you want. It's really up to you how you kind of iterate through that process. But that's literally the process that I use to create this guide that I'm about to show you. So after going through that process that I just showed you on ChatGPT to get the outline, then pull all the content together for the intro, chapter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the rest. And then finally iterating it further, making some adjustments. I finally used Canva to produce the finished product, but all of this content was created using ChatGPT. So here's a table of contents, introduction, benefits of using AI. So yeah, that's the process that I've used to create the ebook that people will now receive when they put in their name and email on the landing page. So far, you've already seen how I've created the landing page copy, and now the copy for the ebook slash lead magnet. So we've already gone through how to create landing page copy, and we've already gone through how to create the ebook copy. Let's move on to now putting it all together and creating a full email sequence that'll all tie into a lead generation funnel. So I'm back into the ChatGPT chain, and the next thing I asked ChatGPT was, based on the above landing page in this chain, can you give me the email series content for the 7-day email course? Keep each email short but educational. So I'm basically asking it, give me a 7-day email course. So it came back with the whole outline, what day 1 should include, what day 2 should include, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's given me a full idea of what every email should be about. Very similar to the outline that it came back with for the guide. Um, so yeah, I went ahead and then I asked it to create email for day 1. And there it is, the subject, the email, and then the signature. Um, so I read through that, and there wasn't enough content from an educational perspective. So I asked ChatGPT to just update it, add a bit of education in email 1. So it kind of went ahead and then gave a little bit of a summary of the full topics. And yeah, so I guess same process, review this, iterate it, add your own spin to it, ask ChatGPT to make further updates, and then once you're happy with it, you've got you've got email one ready, and then you can go ahead and ask for email for day two, and it's come back with the copy for day two. So that's it. That's the process I used to come back with all the emails. So here is the actual emails that I have created leveraging the ChatGPT emails. So this is my email one. I obviously, added videos in here that I've created as well, and I've kind of, iterated it quite a bit. But this is just to demonstrate that, the content that I've used ChatGPT to produce, um, I'm pretty much using a lot of it and to create the actual finished product. So that was my email one. This is the email two. Um, and then here's email three. So just for demonstration purposes, using ChatGPT can help you create your full email sequence. So what have we learned so far? We've created a landing page copy using ChatGPT, then we've created a whole ebook using ChatGPT, and then we've created a full email sequence using ChatGPT. So that is what you could do for your business. I'll go back to the same example. If you've got a gym, you could create a landing page focused on why they should invest in a gym, ebook on 7 tips on the benefits of joining a gym, and then a full email sequence on why they should join a gym and integrating a bit of content in there. So imagine doing that for your business. Do you think that would help you get more leads, customers, sales? Yes, of course, we know it works, but the process that I went through in this video was to demonstrate that you don't need to have any marketing experience, but you can leverage AI and specifically ChatGPT to produce all the content that you need as a base. And then, of course, you can iterate and make it a lot better. But literally, you can go out and use that process that I just showed you now to start driving a lot of leads, customers, sales, um, just creating goodwill and engagement with your audience. Even just for that alone, this is a good process on how to generate um, results for your business.